Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share my altered playing card for hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny's Crafty Creation here on YouTube, and it is week 11. It is week 11, and it is March 14th, and oh my gosh. I stamped the back of my card with my date stamp. It's very light, but I'm gonna have to go back in there and write over it. But anyway, so here is my card. I went with a floral theme. Today here on the East Coast, it kind of felt like spring. It was in the high 60s, low 70s, and it was wonderful. We haven't really had a really bad winter this year. We haven't had it in a couple of years now where, the snow, it gets cold, don't get me wrong, but we really haven't had a snowstorm or anything like that this year. And I was kind of bummed because I love I love the snow. I love to watch it fall. I love staying indoors and just cuddling, and um, on the couch and having hot chocolate. Anyway, so we didn't have that much this year, and spring is just around the corner, and I'm excited about that too. Um, but I'm not looking forward for the bugs. I heard that the cicadas are going to be bad this year. I don't know. They are horrible, horrible creatures. Anyway, so what I did was I kind of did like a little patchwork of floral paper, little scraps of paper from my stash that I tore and covered parts of the, well, majority of the card. But first I did sand it down a bit, and I inked the edges of the card. I speckled it with my Stampin' Up! Speckle stamp. Um, and I also inked the edges on the paper as well. And I added this sticker that says Beautiful Love, and then this paper flower. It's a Prima paper flowers. I have a ton of these in my stash, and I want to use them up. These flowers have script on them. They are like stamped, but they are paper, and they do not sell these anymore. I mean, Michael's and Joann's and Hobby Lobby, they have their own type of flowers, but these are Prima, that were in these, oh my God, they were plastic tubes, and you get, I don't know how many you get in the pack. And I bought different packs of them back in the day, when they were on sale or whenever I could get them. And I just never used them because I didn't want, because I knew they weren't going to last forever. Nothing lasts forever. And I bought a whole bunch of it. So now I really want to use them up because, I want to use what I have. And yeah, I added a pink pearl in the center to go with the paper. And yeah, that's my card. And this is, I think I said that this is a Dollar Tree sticker. So this is my week 11 of hashtag Deck the Year. I want to thank everybody for commenting and liking my videos. I do appreciate that so much. And if you'd like to join in, you're more than welcome to. It's an open collaboration. No deadlines, no theme, no nothing. You just come on and share an altered playing card. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.